A hearty welcome to everyone tuning in today. We're diving into the captivating world of knitting, where we'll unravel the steps to craft a beautiful cable knit scarf, a perfect project for intermediate knitters. To start, gather the following materials: worsted weight yarn in the color of your choice, knitting needles, size US 8 or as per gauge, a cable needle, scissors and a tapestry needle. Begin by casting on 30 stitches using the long tail cast on method. Once you've cast on, you'll work through 2 setup rows. The first row is simple: knit all the stitches. For the second row, you'll need to purl each stitch. With the setup complete, it's time to move on to the main pattern. This pattern involves repeating rows 3 to 8. In the third row, knit 3 stitches, purl 6 and knit 3. The fourth row is the reverse: purl 3, knit 6 and purl 3. For the fifth row, you'll be doing a cable 6 back, followed by purling 6 stitches. Row 6 sees you purling 6, then knitting 6. The 7th row mirrors row 3, knit 3, purl 6, knit 3. Finally, the 8th row is a repeat of row 4, purl 3, knit 6 and purl 3. Got all that? Great. Now, repeat rows 3 through 8 until the scarf reaches your preferred length, making sure to finish on a row 8. When you're happy with the length, it's time to finish off the scarf. Work 2 rows in stockinette stitch. That's 1 row of knitting, followed by 1 row of purling. Then bind off all stitches knitwise. Weave in any loose ends using your tapestry needle. If you wish, you can block the scarf to shape it. For the fashion-forward knitters, consider adding a fringe to each end of the scarf. Cut your yarn into the desired lengths, fold in half, and attach to each end. And there you have it, you've successfully knitted a cable knit scarf. Whether you're wearing it yourself or gifting it to someone special, this scarf is sure to be a hit. Remember, knitting is a flexible art. Feel free to adjust the pattern, yarn and needle sizes according to your preferences and skill level. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and above all, keep enjoying the wonderful world of knitting. Congratulations again on completing your project.